Hi friends, I am Tilak, you're watching TechMate Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to enable the dark mode on your mobile phone application or dialer application on your mobile phone. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So to enable the dark mode in the phone app or dialer app on your mobile phone, you just click on this dialer application. Now you just need to click on the three dots on the top. You will see an option called setting. Just click this. Now it will be open your settings of your caller or phone dialer. Just scroll down. You will see an option called display option. Just click this. And here you will see a short by and also name format like that. The third option called choose the theme. So there will be three themes. It's a light theme, which is actually lighter color, this bright color, and dark and system default. A system default which make, if your system is on dark mode, it will be on dark mode. If your system is on brighter mode, it will be on brighter mode. If you just need to permanent dark mode, just click this, which actually change everything to the dark mode. So you can just use this by clicking on the setting option, go to the display option. You can just change and choose the theme of your phone dialer or mobile phone contact. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet on next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.